I'm at Rare Breeds annual fish fry here at Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. So let's go ahead and check them out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are definitely not stock bikes. Ooh, you see that. Oh yeah, you see it?
Yeah, we're going to just stay right here.
Appreciate it. Good seeing you.
Likewise.
Yes, sir.
Right outside you see half right here. Like,
all right. Good on, Chef. Doing well. That's right, good seeing you. Got Jeff Black here. More Washington Rare Breed.
what up, y'all?
All right.
As y'all can see, everything is flying off the shelves right now, you know. Your man made all that.
All right. Come get you a fish plate. Bro Griff, how's everything, sir? I can't call it.
Come on, man, you making video, huh?
Oh yeah. You know, so since my goal was supposed to come on ground today,
Right.
but needless to say,
Anyway,
I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. But I want to definitely come and support the festivities in the area, you know. Yeah. So this is
Hey, I'm
Griff.
I ain't nobody but Griff. That's all I am. Griff.
Petersburg.
Petersburg chapter.
All right.
Rare Breed, that's how we do.
Okay.
Come on through and holler at us one time, man. That's what we do.
All right. So when is Petersburg next event?
Petersburg, big event. July 20th. Located right in Richmond, Virginia. July 20th. As a matter of fact, stand by. Let me hold this up. Zoom in on that right there. July 20th. Make sure you get your tickets. We're on Eventbrite. Make sure you get that. Come and party with Breed. We're going to show you how we do down in Petersburg and Cap City.
All right.
That's
so
how we do.
All right. So we going down there on the 20th.
That's what's up.
Okay.
That's what's up.
All right. Yes, sir. Good seeing you, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, sir. All right. Question is it really fast though? I mean, I know it's ode to hot rods of the 60s and 70s or whatever, but is it fast? So I'm inside right now. I gotta find information about this Road to Remember event that they're having here this week. Excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Do you have any information about the Road to Remember open house you guys are having?
Going to remember?
Yeah.
That should be.
I thought that you were having like an open house.
Yeah,
for that.
yeah, that's on Friday.
Next Friday.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be all weekend.
All weekend.
Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Sunday is gonna be the ride, so they're gonna leave out of here and go to the Pentagon.
Right.
I don't know what the specific times are on that, but yeah, Friday, Saturday, we'll be running the gun.
Okay. All right. Cool deal. All right. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
All right. Thank you.
We'll
get it.
Hey, who was the other chopper? Fort Washington? There's the choppers that came out. Huh? Bear, Fort Washington, Petersburg, and Fort Washington, and
Fayetteville? Okay.
And Nashville.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
So you spreading the flock, as they say.
But see, like I say, those guys came out of all of them learned.
Okay.
Out of them. Which is
From
great.
Smitty from the city.
That's right.
So Smitty from the city, where are you originally from?
Miami, Florida.
Miami, Florida. Oh, okay, awesome.
I retired 30 years ago.
Okay, well, appreciate your service.
Yeah,
Appreciate
yes,
your
sir.
service.
Yes, sir.
What branch? Army? Okay. Awesome. Definitely good meeting.
I did 30 years and worked 13 years. Go to 43.
That's a lot of working.
Yeah.
I mean, hopefully now you get some rest.
Yeah, I'm leaving here. I'm driving.
Oh yeah, so you driving home?
I'm gonna drive from here.
Yeah.
To Miami.
That's a mean ride. And that right there, from Fort Washington, Maryland to Miami.
Yeah, and then I'm going to cruise.
That's that retired life. Okay, I can dig that. I can dig that.
All right, next week.
Our first meeting. All right, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, like I used Paul's show as the motivation, the catalyst to get my bike and put it back together.
Right.
Got it together, did a couple of videos going down to Daytona. It's together. I wanted to ride. Oh yeah. Oh man, it sounds pretty nice, man. I'm extremely grateful. Like
I appreciate this. One thing I appreciate all of the building.
Yeah.
Especially watching your video and watching Tom.
Right.
They give you so much knowledge and everything.
Right.
Been in Siblings a couple of times. Like I said, I went in there and showed them. Like I said,
Yeah.
The guy talked to me. I started appointment and everything. I went down to Key West on that same bike. That's when I'm glad I didn't do it.
Yeah.
So when I went to Daytona that year, when I didn't get the zipper work done,
Right.
I did 4,000 miles in 8 days. I went down to Key West on that same bike. That's when I'm glad I didn't do it.
Yeah.
So when I went to Daytona that year, when I didn't get the zipper work done,
Right.
I did 4,000 miles in 8 days.
Ooh, man, that's a lot of that's most dudes. That's the average person. Yeah, for the year. It's definitely together, man. It's on ground, and I felt kind of bad. I was like, man, I want to like ride this weekend, whatever. But then I saw at one point they were saying like it was gonna rain, so I was like, yeah, all right, cool. So, and I needed to work because I gotta have money for motorcycle parts. So, and yeah, so but yeah, man, I definitely.
I'm just glad you got it in.
So you're in Petersburg. So Griff told me about the event y'all got next in July. Yeah, so I'm gonna definitely come down and check y'all out, man. And like I said, I'm gonna be on ground.
Yeah, that's what I need to see.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
gonna watch you, man.
I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, brother.
All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You the hardest working man in the fish frying business. All right. Good luck and congratulations on the successful event. Who all did you have come through today? Do you have an idea?
A lot of clubs. The whole area came up.
So the whole DMV pretty much came out.
Yeah, pretty much.
So I saw Petersburg came in, Columbus, Atlanta came in too.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, all right, do a deal. Appreciate it. Appreciate everything. Thanks for the hospitality. All right. So yeah, they had a pretty successful event here at Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. Let me get across the street before I get hit by a car. So thanks for tuning in. This episode of Bill Ride Repeat. That's Rare Breed, Fort Washington. And see you on the next one.